What's up, guys? Deterra Dynamics here, giving some updates and kind of showcasing my whole P90 holster thing that I'm working on right now. Please bear in mind that these are obviously still in prototype phases, so it's very janky and wrapped in electrical tape currently, and I'll explain why in a moment. So I've been basically right now I'm dialing in tolerances. That's why you can see this is an older iteration. Always use white filament when you're baking iterations of files, because that way you can mark up, make notes. You can draw on geometries where they need to be modified in some way, either reduced or expanded upon. Just a really good idea to do that. Sharpies take to it really well. So for those of you curious on how this works, we have two 4mm stainless steel rods, a set of springs, and two brass bushings. These are 4mm inner diameter and 8mm outer, and then there's a 12mm flange on here. I got these from Amazon. I actually got all of this from Amazon. I think it cost me a total of $25 for the hardware. I got a pack of 5 of these, 20 springs and 4 bushings for 25 bucks. So pretty good. Yeah, this is not going to be a good example because this one is just too tight of tolerances. You can see it kind of wants to return, but it's just, and it also doesn't close in all the way. So this is an updated version with better tolerances. You can see it clicks right back, no problem. There is supposed to be a cap on the back of this. Yeah, actually get it real quick. Yeah, so it's just this guy right here, a little simple piece. I'm gonna change the way I actually have it keyed up. So you basically just epoxy it back here, and that's it. It'll lock these stainless steel rods in place, because right now they're just kind of like wanting to pop out. So yeah, that won't happen obviously once I actually have this done, but I don't want to epoxy anything if I'm just gonna have to take a Dremel to it and cut out the hardware and use it on something else. Also the other reason for the electrical tape, besides trying to keep those rods in there as best as I can, is this piece is separate from these two pieces right here. Excuse me. So I just kind of taped it in there because I just didn't feel like whipping something up really quick to attach the two. Obviously that's going to be taken care of later, but right now I just really wanted to show you guys where I'm at with it. So yeah, like I said, this one tolerances are a lot better. Springy is very responsive. It's awesome. I'm gonna try and show you guys me actually holstering it. Just keep in mind that it's a little bit more difficult with this one just because I have wrapped it with electrical tape. There's a lot of friction when it goes down, and also I'm doing this with one hand, so this will be fun. So you just line it up like that, and then these little grooves will take care of the rest and kind of just drop it into place, and it's on there. But like I said, with that electrical tape, it doesn't want to go all the way down. It absolutely would if I wasn't being lazy and finished the way that those pieces mate together. So yeah, I just think is that flush? Not yet. Hang on one second. It's close enough. So you can see the spring fully expanded out, and it is indeed clamping on the handle. I don't know how well you can actually get that from this, but yeah, it's on there. I wish I would have made a piece to go on the back here to show you that it is clamping and it is bearing the weight of the P90. Dropped it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And then all you do is you just pinch it, and well, it's gonna be really difficult with one hand, but I'll try. There you go. And you have your P90. So so where do we go now? Well, obviously this isn't gonna be attaching to a plate carrier just like this, so that'll be my next step. So we're gonna be making, I'll kind of try and explain how this is going to work. So we'll have that piece mounted to a panel, probably about the width of the body of the P90. So you probably kind of sitting like right about there. You'll have that underneath, and then I'm gonna make a piece that kind of like hugs up on like the magazine, and it just kind of makes it a little bit more secure. It's not going to be like really tight friction fit. It's just going to kind of like, you know, prevent it from wobbling and things like that. There's also going to be the same concept right here with this little cutout piece, just so it's nice and snug is what I want. I made this because I'm trying to get away from slings. You know, I don't like it just like going crazy and pouncing everywhere while I'm like running, using a sidearm or anything like that. Just annoying. Right now I have like one of those lobster claws, and I hate it. I can't wait to get rid of it. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing. I have other potential plans too. I don't want to give them all away right now just because A, I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing them or not, and B, they're too cool to give away, and I think I want them to be a surprise. So yeah, so look forward to that. It's going to be pretty cool. I have an idea of how I want it to like look aesthetically in my mind, how this is all going to come together. So I'm going to get working on that here in a moment, and I'll get you guys another update as they come. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll keep posting updates, and when this is all said and done, it'll be available on Colts 3D for a total cost of $5. You will have a left-handed version and a right-handed version, and that's very easy to do because all you have to do is mirror them. See? Yeah, left and right. Right-handed, however you want to holster it up, whichever side you want to draw it from. I will make this ambidextrous, so no concerns there. If I ever make any updates to my file, make it a little bit better, I will be posting that as an update on Colts 3D for free for anyone that has already bought this as well, so you will have no concerns there. I will stand by it. Yeah, anyways, that's where we're at. So take it easy, guys.